Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, I have a little safety announcement. I know people hate safety stuff, but this is one that you might really want to heed. I was welding this up right here, and I'm going to show you kind of what happened. And I don't know how, but it got right down into my crotch area right here. And although I'm wearing 100% cotton pants, cotton shirt, cotton bandana, had my sleeves up here, everything I could to not get burnt. Somehow one got through down there. And cotton, although it won't go up in flames, it will melt through. So that some people think that, oh, if you're wearing all cotton, you know, you're fine. But it can melt through little holes. It won't catch on fire, but it can melt holes. Unfortunately, the underwear I'm wearing are not 100% cotton, and I have a little burn on my leg here where my underwear actually kind of caught and melted. It actually melted a hunk of the underwear, and it burnt pretty good. So a little safety thing, I ended up, after that happened, I put this over my lap, and so hopefully that won't happen again. Yet again, this is cotton. It's got some holes in it, but I figure 2 or 3 layers here should cover it. But just a little warning out there, if you're wearing underwear that aren't, they can actually melt to your skin if a hunk of welding gets in there. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and obviously master of none. You all have a good one.